Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the video I did most recently, I talked all about this level right here at 10,400. And how if the price could stay above it, that would be a great sign of power. And not only did the price stay up above it, but the price actually continued to separate to itself to the upside, which is a good sign from the bull's point of view. So on that note, definitely a very nice sign of strength. But that also goes to serve as the first question that you would want to ask yourself. So now let's just use the 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from after it's uploaded. Question number one, nothing complicated, just simply, where is the price at relative to 10,400. As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above that level, then that would be a sign that, the consolidation is fine. Because if you think about it, and I'm not saying this will be the case, but if you're watching this and the price is all the way down here, but, kind of just going sideways, well, even at that point, what you would still have is the opportunity at this. You'd have a set of lows here. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, that would still, like I said, imply that the stair steps do have the ability to still potentially, construct themselves in the upwards direction. So definitely stand above 10,400. I'm not going to call it, a must hold or anything like that. But if the price can stay up above there, then that would be a good sign of, from just a consolidation standpoint. On the flip side of things, as far as resistance levels are concerned, as of right now being, as I record the video, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. And that's right up here at about 11,500. So the other question you would want to ask yourself, if you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, the price is still up above 10,400. The next immediate question is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the purple line right here? Again, the 50-period moving average. And then this is where gut instincts comes into play. I mean, if you were answering the question, well, yeah, Clay, the price is actually up above it right there. Don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good sign. That's definitely bullishness. But if you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, the price is actually way up here at 12,500, well, that would tell you that not only has a breakout occurred, but the breakout has gotten a whole lot of momentum behind it. So in that regard, it's a whole lot of just, let some common sense, come into play here in terms of, well, how strong is the chart? Well, how far up above that purple line is it? Now, again, if the price is not above it, that doesn't mean the chart's ruined or anything like that. But if you're answering the question that the price is just still down below that level, but still up above that level, well, then at that point, one word would summarize all of that, and that would just be the prices continue to consolidate between this area, which is not bad or good. It's just consolidation, and that just happens in the market. But the two definitely main levels going forward: 10,400 and then 11,500 as that level of resistance, and we'll see if the bulls can get the breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.